New rules for Australian student visas. Key changes for temporary graduate visa holders. In today's video, we'll talk about Australia banning international students from filing visa applications from within the country to end visa hopping. Get up-to-date immigration information by subscribing to our channel. Press the bell icon and share our videos on Facebook, WhatsApp, and X with your friends and family. Let's now talk about temporary graduate visa holders and their offshore application requirement. Starting July 1, 2024, temporary graduate visa holders subclass 485 will no longer be able to apply for an Australian student visa while in Australia. This new regulation requires that student visa applications must be lodged from offshore, outside of Australia. Are you wondering about the impacted visa categories? In addition to temporary graduate visa holders, other visa holders such as those on visitor visas, electronic travel authority visas, medical treatment visas, e-visitor visas, and maritime crew visas are also affected. They must apply for a student visa from outside Australia. However, applications submitted before July 1, 2024 will still be processed. Australian government encouraging permanent residency over permanent temporariness. The Australian government aims to reduce the trend of permanent temporariness, where individuals extend their stay through multiple visa applications without achieving permanent residency. Instead, temporary graduates are encouraged to seek skilled jobs that might lead to employer-sponsored visas or permanent residency. What are the additional changes for temporary graduate visas? Alongside the new student visa rules, other changes for temporary graduate visa holders include shorter post-study work rights, reduced age limits from 50 to 35 years, and increased English language requirements. What's the offshore application process? While student visa applications must be lodged offshore, applicants can travel to Australia and wait for the outcome if they hold or are granted a visa that permits entry and stay. Note that offshore student visa applicants will not be eligible for a bridging visa to remain in Australia during the application process. Lastly, let's talk about study limitations on visitor visas. Visitor visa holders can continue to study in Australia for up to 3 months. Those intending to study longer must apply for a student visa outside Australia. Conclusion of today's video update. These changes are designed to ensure that individuals have a genuine intention to pursue studies in Australia and to prevent visa hopping. By encouraging temporary graduates to pursue permanent residency pathways or depart Australia, the government aims to address the issue of permanent temporariness and streamline the visa process.